My name's Eric Mueller. I'm the owner and president of EDGE Welding Supply. I'm also the owner and president of M5 Scientific Glassblowing. My wife and I started EDGE Welding Supply as a offshoot and a product line for M5 Scientific Glassblowing. People showed an interest in the history of EDGE Welding Supply, and that history included a family business. I started blowing glass when I was 20 years old in 1993. We have done numerous different things for numerous different companies. A lot of the work we do is for Fortune 500 companies. We do work for other scientific glassblowing companies. We've done everything from fiber optics to mass spectrometers. We create custom glassware. We have cells that we've built for water testing. We've built products for carbon dating, just numerous things, and a lot of things that we can't even say because we have non-disclosure agreements with other companies. We also have samples that you can see of some of the products that we are able to show and some of our diversity. I created a way to adapt glass onto a threaded piece. It's common in the scientific industry, and so we came out with a adapter that would screw right onto a gas lens or a collet body. And we came out with 6 cups to start with. As of today, we have over 250 MIG and TIG options available for welding cups. We have numerous different adapters for different torches, and we are constantly coming out with something new and different. We're really trying to push the industry forward. We do a lot with students. We actually offer different programs for students and instructors. When we first created the original 6 cups and the adapter system that goes onto the gas lens, at that point we saw that there was going to be a big need, and we also decided to patent our system at the same time. All the product that we make is made in-house here in Mooresville, North Carolina. And we try and source as much materials, all of our packaging. We try and do as much as we possibly can that supports the U.S. economy, the U.S. business, and we especially try and support small businesses. As we have discovered, there is a great need for our product, and we discovered that we were able to not only help people, but we're helping companies to see through the glass. It allows you to customize it because we can take our existing glass line that we currently make, and then we can also modify it in order to fulfill different needs that people have in the industry. You guys that are using these products are the ones that truly understand what the need is in the industry. And so that's the reason we try and listen to the customer and provide the customer with the best product possible, is because we're trying to fill the need that you have. So we listened to the customer, and the customers were telling us that they needed larger and larger gas cups because they needed more area covered with that gas. So we came out with a number 12. We came out with our first diffuser, and then we came out with a 15 and an 18 also. Now, this was before we were able to do any testing. So we decided to, we actually partnered with the company locally, and they helped us to start refining our process. And that's when we discovered that we could actually improve our diffuser system. Our diffuser system was good at the time, but then we made it much better. We made a few tweaks to it, and we came out with the current diffuser system that we're using right now, and the gas coverage is It's absolutely amazing. We have people contact us daily telling us that they can't believe the difference that our diffuser makes over what they're currently using. And that's why we do what we do. We truly have a passion for customers. My wife, Stacia, and myself, we have an agreement between the two of us that we are trying to leave a legacy of being able to help people. And we try and do that through our business. We try and do that through our personal lives. We try and do that through the family that we build. We are trying to leave a legacy that is truly helping people to find and achieve their goals. As we've been building our company, we have incredible people. The people that come beside me every day that help us to build and grow our business. We've created an incredible team of people that are supportive, that have vision, and that just come to work every single day with the same passion that we have. And that's our glass blowers, our sales, our technical. These people just help us on a daily basis. EDGE Welding Supply wouldn't be where it is today without the amazing support of a group of people that are not related. They work in the same field, but they're all in different industries, and that's our EDGE Army. This is a group of individuals that come together with a passion for their career, for their job, their hobby, the things that they've actually created in order to support it. And our EDGE Army is an amazing group of people. My wife Stacia and I, through building this business, have come out with a mission statement, and that mission statement is connecting people, building relationships, providing premium products in order to help other people succeed.